Dangerous, brother.
Dangerous, brother!
My name is Richard Dangerous, and this is Sir Adrian Dangerous. Incalculably stupid, I trust you'll agree. And this evening, ladies and gentlemen, for my first trick... where's your explosives?
Over there.
Well, go and put them on.
Ha! I will now put on my explosive!
Go on. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, for you, my own public, I would like to attempt a very dangerous stunt. I would like to attempt to become the 41st President of the United States of America. So I won't be needing this anymore. Out you come. And so, ladies and gentlemen...
I've got the explosives!
Well, take them off.
What do you mean? What about the human bomb impression?
It's been cancelled.
Well, why didn't you tell me before?
Because I'm a total bastard.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Now get rid of the explosives. Snotty.
Donkey, Skip.
Don't touch that button.
Come on, make your bloody mind up!
Look, Sir Adrian, I am trying to become the President of the United States, and I've only got 2 minutes. So will you please stop wasting time?
Sorry.
That's okay.
Shake hands.
Yes. Now, shake hands properly, Sir Adrian. Shake hands properly for our audience. Come along, don't be scared. There. And so, to the election, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to become the president, and my lovely assistant, Sir Adrian, would like to attempt to become the first lady.
Hey, Richard! You better watch out walking around with your flies undone. Your chicken might fall out for everyone to see.
But, Sir Adrian, it already has. You're supposed to say cock. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the election of me.
Oh, cock! You better watch out walking around with your chicken undone. Your flies might fall out for everyone to see.
And so, to the election, ladies and gentlemen. Off. Okay. Okay. Right.
I still don't get it.
And so, to the election, ladies and gentlemen. Now, obviously, with only 2 minutes left for this dangerous stunt of electing me as the President of the United States, there isn't time for you all to get out to the polling booths. So what I suggest is that you register your vote through the television.
And when was all this thought up?
What? Oh, excuse me. Everyone who wants to vote for me to become the 41st President of the USA, simply switch off your television sets for 15 seconds, starting now. Okay, Frank, hit the lights. Go, Frank, switch the lights off.
What's going on?
Quiet, you'll give the game away.
I think I've gone blind.
Shut up, who cares?
I do. Oh!
Go and check how the election's going.
Okay. Here's if someone put the bloody lights on. God, there's bloody mints everywhere. What are they doing? Nothing much. Some of them are just sort of sitting there and crying a bit.
Crying?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
You see? That one there.
That's 15 seconds, Gov.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I am now the 41st President of the United States of America. Me. Hello, Nancy. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Me.
That's it, is it?
Yeah. Oh.
Well, it wasn't very dangerous, was it?
Do you mean we turn the lights out?
I'll pep it up a bit. Ladies and gentlemen, the Dangerous Brothers would like to present for you Exploding Politicians.
No! No, 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 no! Go away! Go